Hi, Patrick. Good to see you again.
Hey Jeff, it's been a
Yeah,
while. How are you doing?
it's been a while. I'm doing great. I'm doing great. And you're doing well too, I suppose. Business is
Fantastic. It's
booming.
been a good day.
hmm
Sorry?
Business is booming.
Business is booming, especially in the silver, but gold
Yeah.
is still performing strong. But I do have to admit, right now, if we had more silver, we could probably sell double or triple the amounts.
Oh yeah. I wish I could. I had started stacking more, but I can't complain since I started stacking when it was 19, $20 an ounce. So
Well, there you go.
yeah,
Congratulations on that.
a bit of humble bragging on that, but well, not even humble, just bragging.
No, no, and you're absolutely right. I'll tell you, just to interject there, my rule of thumb is really if silver is under 20 US dollars an ounce, it's a buy.
Yeah.
And if it's under $15 an ounce, it's an absolute buy.
Steal. It's a
You're nearly
steal.
insane not to buy it. And I have to say I'm fortunate enough that yeah, when silver was down at $13 an ounce, of course I'm sitting at the source, so
Yeah.
it's easier for me to buy personally as well. But yeah, I've accumulated some silver over time, and I'm very happy when I look at the silver price and the development of the value of my personal stock.
hmm
Um, and maybe just one thing, Jeff, that I'd like to put out there because the perception always is that if gold and silver prices go up, brokers and traders like myself are making more money. We're not. Our fees are fixed per ounce. So whether the gold price or the silver price is whether the silver price is $20 an ounce or $53 an ounce as it is now, our fee per ounce is the same.
Yeah.
Okay, we're just because silver went up, we're not making more money. Our top line revenue grows, of course, because the value of the product has gone up, but the bottom line doesn't really change. So the bottom line only changes due to the quantity we sell.
Yeah.
And that's just a point that I wanted to put out there to address that misconception that we're terribly rich people now just because the gold and silver price has gone up.
Well, you do get rich from the hoard you have, so
Yes,
that.
on my personal side, absolutely,
Yes.
absolutely, yes.
But yes, that is a really common misconception from retail investors or retail buyers, which is our next point, which is I am getting a lot of questions from people who think, gold is so expensive right now. The spot price is over 4,200 something dollars, which is okay, 4,234 right now at the time of recording,
Yes.
which is in Hong Kong dollars, uh, a quite significant amount, which is just under $33,000 an ounce. And
Yes,
if
so a
they buy
100-gram gold bar is over a hundred
over a
thousand
hundred
Hong
thousand,
Kong dollars.
yeah.
Yes, and it
So
wasn't too long ago when it wasn't.
yeah, exactly. So do you think it's wise for new investors to start buying fractional gold, say 1/10 ounce, a quarter ounce, half an ounce?
Well, I mean, there's no straightforward answer to that, to be
hmm
honest. You need to know what you're getting into, right?
Yes.
Now, of course, I think fractional ownership of gold, if it broadens the audience and the target audience of the product, I think overall is a good thing because I do believe that everybody should have some precious metals in their investment portfolio. And given that gold, as you said, is now so expensive, north of 4,200 an ounce, it just is less accessible than it was a year or 2 or 3 years ago
Yeah.
for retail investors. I mean, it's a serious amount of money to be investing, especially if you're a young professional. So fractional ownership, whatever, 1/10 of an ounce or a gram or whatnot, is a way of getting into the precious metals market and participating in in the appreciation of the value. Now, the downside is that you're purchasing a fractional ownership. So it's not that you can go anywhere and say like, oh, I'd like my 1/10 of an ounce in gold, or I want my half ounce in gold. You're essentially owning a fraction of a gold coin or gold bar, which is deposited somewhere. And in order for you to monetize your investment, you have to sell that fractional ownership. And you will never really be in possession of gold. So if you're a real purist, right, who wants to buy gold because of its insurance value, whereby it gives you independence from the monetary system and the financial services system and the government, a fractional ownership of gold won't really perform, right? But if you want to get on the investment ladder and you want to participate in the precious metals world and you don't have the 4,400 or whatever a 1 ounce coin costs at the moment, then it is definitely something to look at. But I would ask people to please really do your homework, read the terms and conditions, do select reputable dealers and reputable providers of this service, because as in financial services, there or in life in general, there are there are good people and there are bad people, and there are good providers and there are bad providers.
Yeah.
And in this market right now, where there's really nearly a frenzy, it attracts a lot of nefarious people that are just jumping on the bandwagon and trying to exploit people's fear and exploit people's gullibility to a certain point. And so I really would urge people to be cautious.
Hmm. Okay. And to do your homework, watch our show. Listen to Patrick.
Yeah. Well,
Mhm.
not only me. I mean, I always encourage everybody go out, do a Google search, get as much info as you want. If you go to a shop, you don't have to buy, but ask all the questions, you
Yeah.
know.
Yeah.
And the same when you come to an outfit like us, there's no pressure sales. You know, we're happy to deal with people, and we'll take the time of day, and we'll give our 2 cents worth, and give our worldview of things, and hopefully share that knowledge and contribute to people's understanding of this product world.
Well, and the fact that both you and I were stackers at heart. We're
Yes,
into this. We're into
absolutely.
this from a long time ago. So we hope to bring that passion and a sense of fun, in buying and seeing your wealth grow. I think that there's really a sense of satisfaction. Uh,
100%.
yeah. And quote us, quote Worldview, email us at info@preciousmetals.asia.com, and we'll give you good deals. And we're promoting
100%.
right now, we're promoting a 1 kilo silver bar, 30% off the premium if you quote Worldview, and we'll have other discounts, other good deals for you for other products. But right now, the focus
Absolutely.
is on the 1 kilo silver bar. Well, so
That's right.
happy stacking, and please, if any of our viewers have questions, please feel free to email us, talk to us. We're really happy to share more of our knowledge and our passion about precious metals. And thank you, Patrick, again. Thank you for your time. Always a pleasure to talk to you and
Thanks,
learn from
Jeff.
you.
And I look forward to those questions.
Okay, well, thanks for your time today, Patrick. We'll see you
Thank you.
soon and talk more
Thank you.
about gold and silver.
Absolutely.
Bye bye.
Bye.